Hi, welcome to Renterio. This is Chandra again back with a beautiful kitchen in Shobha Indraprastha, which is there in central part of Bangalore. Let me exactly show you what we have done in this kitchen. This is a L-shaped kitchen, what we have planned in this apartment, and then this is a glossy laminate kitchen. So if you see both the upper cabinets and the lower cabinets are glossy laminates. Let me exactly show you what we have done here in this kitchen. If you see, this is a large tall unit, and in this tall unit we have given single shelves behind for more storage. We have not given any accessories or anything, so it's just for more storage, larger shelf area, and the width is about 2 feet. And if you see, the above is a frosty white laminate, and below we have a very skewed color, and then we have a black granite. So let me just take you through the lower cabinets. If you see the first one here, it's again just a shutter and a shelf here, and then we have two large tandem boxes, which is from Blum again, and then again the weight capacity about 30 to 40 kgs of weight, and this is a soft close. Again, we have the same kind of tandem boxes at the lower area. Again, it's a soft close, and again it can take up to 30-40 kgs of weight. And coming to the rightmost part, here we have a single large shelf which is accessible to the blind corner as well, and this is a single shelf for more storage. Now coming to this part of the area, if you see, this is basically a bottle pull out. So this is for the spices and everything. So bottle pull out. This is what we have planned in the cornermost part of this area. And coming back to the hob portion, where we will keep the hob here, and below we have a 3-piece basket. So these are all tandem boxes again. The first one is a cutlery unit. And again, you have all the organizer here, and this is a PVC cutlery tray which has been used. And if you see here, it's the tandem boxes by Blum. The second one, again, a 6-inch storage unit. And the third one is a large tandem box again for larger utensils and everything. And if you see here, this is a single shutter with a shelf. And if you see a gas pipeline here, so basically we have the hob connection which is done, and the cylinder will be kept in the utility. And then again we have the sink area here. So the sink is given, and then below that we have the dustbin unit and some more storage space. And this is a 3-feet chimney by Faber. So this is a chimney with LED lights given by the Faber company, and this is what exactly we have done in this kitchen. And if you see, the granite is what we have used here is jet black granite, and we have given a skirting so that the water doesn't seep to the cabinets and stuff. The material which has been used in this kitchen is a plywood. It's calibrated plywood, 16 mm plus the laminates, and that is what we have done here. And if you see, coming to the upper cabinets, right next to the chimney, we have upper cabinet for more storage. And then on the left side as well, we have the upper cabinets. So this is the L corner. What we have done here is we have just given open shelves, and so that you can access the things what you keep there easily. And you see, there are about 4 doors in this area. And this 4 doors, what we have done here is we have all given shelves inside, single shelves for more storage. And all the fittings and fixtures used in this kitchen is Havel, and all glossy laminates used in this kitchen, and it's merino laminates what we have used. And this is exactly what we have done in this very simple kitchen cabinet. Let me just show you what exactly we have done in the utility area. If you see here, we have space for washing. So it's like you have a small sink inside the kitchen, and we have the larger sink here. So all the washing and everything takes place in the utility. We have created a small storage below. So this is for your detergents and everything. All the storage, everything has been kept here. And if you see, this is the utility window which we have covered it with aluminum shutters. And so so that we don't have any of those pigeons or anything coming in. So we have enclosed it with a mosquito mesh, so you can keep it open tomorrow if you want to kind of have more breeze into your kitchen. And then this is utility created for all the activities in terms of washing vessels and everything. And then you have space for the cylinder, which is at the lower area there. So that's the place you keep the cylinder, and that's connected to the hob area totally. So this is exactly what we have done in this kitchen of Shobha Indraprastha, which is there in central Bangalore. This is one of the very prime property in Bangalore. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this kitchen has given you enough knowledge about what we can do in L-shaped manners, 60 to 70 square feet of space. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch my next video, which is for the wardrobe space and the TV unit, what have we created, and also we have done a false ceiling with the lighting. So let me just take you through that. Watch my next video so to get a better understanding of the other part of the house. Thank you so much, guys.